guys, I'm back with another video with this Audi A5. In this video I will show you how to remove this tail light and then trunk lid light. So let's get into the video. For this one, first you need to remove this cup, okay? With something like this, okay? This one sliding inside, okay? And then next step, removing this cup. So this car is good because you don't need to remove the whole that plastic trim. Okay. And if you see here, having 3 knot socket 10. I'm gonna remove those. First, I always recommend to remove the connector harness because it would make your job easier. And then if like that, like me, how I sitting inside the trunk, should be nothing in your pocket. Possible to scratch or damage this area. I accidentally touched the button. One. 2, and then for the last one, put your hand to hold the light because it's not gonna fall off, but usually when you open the bolt, your hand having some pressure, that pressure possible to push the light out. There you go. And then from the inside, pushing it, it's gonna come off like this. 3 and then 1 connector. Let's move to this. Okay, for this light, also you're having the one cover, it's this area. Having the 3 small tab like this. One, 2, and then after that slide it up like this because having something going here. And then inside this one have 2 bolts, torque 25. Okay. 1. And second. Come out. And then here having the one thing, the plastic with the circle head going like that. If you do like this, possible to break it. So hold it like that, little bit make the gap with the plastic, put it here. It's gonna come off. This one I talk about. It is here. This one you just need to a little bit make the gap with the some prior tools, push it this one back forward. That's how you can remove it for Audi S5, A5. I think all gonna be same. Now close the trunk. All the part I need to remove I did already, and time to go to work. Hope you guys like this video. I have to back and then cut the film and start doing the PPF. Actually, you know, it's very hard to do it alone and solo, but I will make it, and I hope I can make the PPF video, how to do the PPF, like how some part, and then if you're watching this video now, please comment below which part you want. I will do it for sure. See you guys next time. Take care, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification. Take care.